Yo, what's good YouTube? Drizzy checking in once again with another video, and today I'm going to be talking about the GOAT app. Some of you may have heard of the app, some of you haven't, but this is kind of just a video to show you in depth of how to sell sneakers on the GOAT app. Some of you probably have bought sneakers off the app, but I'm not quite sure. I don't really see a lot of videos of people like kind of explaining how to, sell shoes, or just little details that people actually want to see before they get into selling shoes on the app. So today I figure I'd make a video kind of showing you exactly the process from start to finish on listing the shoe, taking pictures of it, confirming the sale, packaging the shoe, shipping it off, and the wait time as well. A lot of people are curious to see how long it takes for you to get your payout for when you sell your shoes. So yeah, we about to get right into it. So first, let's start off by showing exactly, well actually I kind of waited to confirm my sale with you guys. All right, so real quick, we're just gonna go ahead and create a sales post for the blue tints. So all right, so we're gonna click on own. Already clicked on own, and then you're gonna select your shoe size. We'll do a 10, size 10, brand new. Next, good condition, ask about the condition of the box. And then we're gonna set it to 385. All right, so now right here it's asking for the shoe tag. So let's go ahead and get that real quick. Alright, so now that we have our pictures and our price, we're going to go ahead, either you can review it, preview it, or click submit. I'm going to go ahead and click submit. Alright, so our sale is active. Let's go ahead and go to it real quick. We're going to go to own, and then this is the active listing. So it's going to show the top offer, it's going to show the lowest price, and then your price. So since my price isn't the lowest, it's right here. And then either you can click on here and either you can sell it to the highest bidder, or you can just wait and let them buy at your price. So since we've already sold them, I'm gonna go ahead and delete this. I already sold my extra pair. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the notification. Usually when you sell a pair of shoes on the GOAT app, you have to confirm the sale before you send it out. So let me go ahead and open up the GOAT app real quick, and here it is right here. So let's go ahead and click on that. All right, so when you open up the app, down here you see 4 little tabs. This is to browse. Right here is to search what you're looking for, but we're going to the seller tab. So right here it says need to confirm, and then it says need to ship. Now we're going to click on need to confirm. It says need to ship because I already have another pair of shoes that I sold, but we're going to be confirming the Yeezy blue tints that we sold. So I priced them for $385, and GOAT gets, I think, about 10%, 10 or 11% of the sale. So let's go ahead and confirm it. I'm gonna be making $343. So now we're gonna go ahead and click on generate prepaid UPS label. So let's go ahead and click on that and confirm again. All right, so now right here is showing that it is gonna be sent, the label is gonna be sent to your email. All right, so right here is just showing that the label is going to be sent to your email. All right, so now that we went ahead and confirmed our sale, all we have to do is now go into our email and print off the label and then head to UPS. So let's go.
Touchdown when he touch back. All I got is the balls, the Bible, and the rucksack. And I'ma bring the king with me everywhere I spit. Dumb rounds is God speaking when I Arabic. Hey yo, Satan.
If I was you, I wouldn't like me either.
You chase the crown but could never pay for the price of sneakers. From Walmart, but your seller offered a stripe Adidas, a swipe of
How's the New Year's treating you, man?
Not too bad. Still alive. You know?
Yeah, right? I mean, you can't ask for much more than that.
Right.
And there's no bills, right?
No, I still got it.
Alright. Would you like a receipt for it today?
Yes.
And they're right there at the very top. You're all set, man.
So I just dropped off my packages, and pretty much, I mean, that was the hard part. Now we just wait for the order to get to GOAT for them to authenticate it, and then usually the same day that they authenticate them, they send the payout. Today's January 18th, so just want to make sure you guys know what day it is. That way we can keep track of exactly how long it takes. Since I am in Nevada, Go app is located in California. One of their facilities is located in California. So the package should get there by tomorrow, just because I dropped my package off at the UPS store before they come and pick them up to send them to the main facility to be sent out. So it should get there tomorrow. So it could be possible that they might give me the payout tomorrow, or maybe Saturday. If not, then definitely Monday. So now we just wait, and I'll catch y'all in a minute. All right, so one more thing I forgot to mention is to track your order. So where's it at? Right here. It says view progress. So right here you can follow it step by step as far as where the progress of your package is. So right now it's showing that I just dropped it off at UPS, and then next is going to ship off, deliver to GOAT, verify, and then last but not least is the transition will be complete, and then that's when I'll get the payout. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this real quick, just in case for those people who like to, you know, every single step of your package, pretty much how every sneakerhead is. But it's just another way that you could track your package through the whole process.
The next day.
So today is the next day, and it is Friday, January 19th. Just making sure y'all know that it's legit. So one day after me sending out the package, and let me show you the notification. So this is the notification for the Yeezys that I sent out, and this was about 3 hours ago. So yeah, it was about 3 hours ago. I was at the barbershop, and I got the notification that the shoes are authenticated and that my funds were available. So as soon as they authenticate them and everything's clear, then your money's available. So either you can purchase something else within the app, like if there's another sneaker that you're trying to get. So like if you're selling like 2-3 pairs of shoes and you just want to hold the money on the app and then, you know, put it towards another pair of shoes, you can do that, or you can cash out. So real quick, to cash out, you're gonna click on cash out, and then you're gonna have to go through this two-step authentication. They're gonna send you a code, put in the code, and then it's gonna have you can put in however much you want to withdraw. It doesn't have to be the full amount. You can do whatever, you know, however much you want, and then usually it goes straight to your PayPal, you know, within the same minute or so of you requesting that amount. So it's fairly quick. So that's a good thing. We want that money right away. So as far as shipping, the first thing I would mention is the shipping label is completely free. You just go in your email and you print it off, and then you take it to the UPS. You just take the paper there, and they'll put it in like the little shipping envelope sticker thing to put it on top of the box. And then also one thing that I kind of noticed is dropping the package off before a certain time. So I know my local UPS store that I go to, the warehouse truck comes and picks the packages up around like maybe 3 o'clock. So try to make sure that my packages are dropped off before that time. That way they're processed that same day and they're already in transit. So if you wait until, you know, after the warehouse truck has already came and picked up the orders, then more than likely your package is not going to be processed till the next day, which means you're going to have to wait another day for your package to get to go and, you know, go through the whole process. So I would suggest to call your UPS store, just ask them, like, you know, when the delivery truck or when the warehouse truck comes and picks up the packages, and then just make sure that you get it there before that time. And then another thing is, if you're selling shoes around the holidays, holidays, just expect the delay because, you know, you can't really predict the amount of packages that you're going to receive. As far as the company, you can't really predict those things. So just keep in mind that around the holidays, it's probably going to be like maybe at least a week delay. Could be possibly 2 weeks. You know, you just never know. So just keep that in mind. And then also make sure that whatever you're describing in your sales post is exactly what it is, what it looks like. Because if they receive the shoes, they receive the box, and it's not as descriptive, like if you put good condition on the box, they're gonna be very anal about that and try to like deduct you, take away some kind of money from your sale, or they'll ask you if you want to like take a percentage off of, you know, the money or the price that you sold the shoe for. So yeah, so hopefully this video helped for anybody thinking about using the app or is just curious about how it works. So hopefully this was able to help you. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment section. You know, I'll be glad to help. Also, and be sure to share the video if you think that, you know, it'll help somebody else, because a lot of people want to use the app or thinking about using it, but, you know, just kind of hesitant because they don't know how to do it or, you know, what goes all into it. But like I said, hopefully this was able to help some of you guys, and I think I've covered most of all the important parts. But if I missed something, let me know. I'm pretty sure some of you guys watching this video probably already use the app, so you're familiar with it. So if I am missing something, let me know. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the video. If you enjoyed the video, if this helped you out, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. Be sure to comment down below. Like I said, if you have any questions, I'll be glad to help. And I will be doing a StockX unboxing soon, so stay tuned for that. And with that said, I will catch you in the next video. Peace.